ICC. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished heads of government, heads of state, we convene today once again to condemn the outrageous violation of international law, the blatant and flagrant atrocities being carried out. But I would like to make some comments. We must see the situation for what it is, the reality of the situation.